Yeah, hey everyone. I just wanted to make a quick video to discuss this error that you might receive while connecting to Microsoft SQL Server using the database connector. As the error states, the SQL Server Driver has been compiled by a more recent version of the Java runtime. This error is usually caused by having a driver that was compiled with JRE 11 or some other later version deployed to your Atom when your Atom is running on Java 8. I'll show you what this looks like. So we went to Atom Management, installed libraries. I filtered the view for folder, and now we are looking in the userlib folder. And then under database, we can see here that there's an MSSQL JDBC jar compiled with Java 11, but we are running on Java 8. So to resolve this, we will go to deployments. We will go ahead and undeploy this from my production environment. And then we will go to packaged components, and I will deploy this custom library that contains JDBC, a JDBC driver that was compiled with Java 8. Okay. After doing that, if we go back and test, we should have a successful connection. That's it. Thank you for watching.